So here's the car. I was gonna show you before we had to run in the house because it's raining. Good morning. It's early in the morning for me to be out the house other than on school day. It is 7:20, so I've been out earlier than this on a school day, but it's Martin Luther King Day, so I should not be out this early. But we have to take this car in. So Landon took my car and he's already at work. So I'm gonna take this car in. We got it from CarMax, so we have the Max Care, so we can take it in and get fixed or whatever. So that's what we're doing this morning. I just left out the house. I'm sitting in the freezing cold car waiting for it to warm up because Joe was like not having it. As soon as I got up, he got up, and so it was kind of difficult leaving him because he wanted to come with me. So yeah, he was full on crying. But I have my cup of water with me out of my gallon. I'm trying to stick to only drinking within my gallon only until I'm gone, and then after that I'll drink something with flavor. But yeah, we're being very productive today, hopefully, and going to get this car turned in, see about if we need a rental or not, and if we need a rental, then have to wait on the ride to get the rental and all that long jazz. So thankfully people are uploading their videos because I have a lot of videos to watch today because I have a lot of time to kill. Tempting as Burger King, McDonald's was, I decided to just come to Myers and get something healthier. Good morning. Okay, so I didn't get anything too unhealthy, but it didn't go the route I expected it to. I could have probably done better if I got the freaking sausage, egg, and cheese croissant from Burger King, but that's okay because the kids got something out of it. I instead got donuts. I got me just one plain glazed donut, nothing too extravagant, not iced, not all of that, but like I said, it was not the route I was trying to go, at no means, but it is what it is. So now I'm actually headed to CarMax, which is just right here by Meyer, because I needed to kill some time anyway, because our appointment is until 8 and I got here at 7:30. So I killed some time at Meyer. And I'm just going to drive back here and see what time they open up, because like I said, our appointment is until 8, so if they open up a little early, then I could just start the process of like signing off the car, like signing the car in for maintenance, and trying to get in the process of getting the rental car or finding out how long this car will take and all that jazz. I think they sucking me in. I came back here because it's going to take an hour for my car to be diagnosed. So I had to make sure I said that word, because when I told my mom I said diagnostics. So I wanted to make sure I said it correctly to you guys. So it's going to take an hour to be diagnosed. So I'm just here trying to find me something to do, basically. And I'm looking at water bottles to take to the gym with me. I would try freaking what am I saying? I would try protein shakes, but I'm scared. I'm scared I'm not gonna like them. I'm scared I'm not gonna like it, and it'd be a waste of money. So I'm just looking at lunch stuff. Not that London needs any more lunch stuff, considering the fact that she don't eat lunch. But nonetheless, ooh, they got little boots. Joe needs some rainbows, but these are all for girls. I mean, he could wear black. They 30% off. Size 6, they $15. He could wear just black, ain't he? Like that ain't too like girly. They're just black. He needs some boots. Cause y'all know all he got is his little gym shoes. He needs something that's gonna keep his feet covered in clothes. Oh, like these or something. What size are these? These are 6 too, but they're $23. And it hasn't even snowed yet. Like, what if it never snows? What if it never snows? Then I'll be mad because I spent 23 freaking bucks and it never snows. This is why people like me don't need credit cards, I swear. I'm just gonna hold them. Hold them and look at them. If I find London pair, then I know it's God telling me to do it. These are cool. Like these like little fake Tims that can get all messed up and like me not care because they didn't cost me $200. The thing about him is he got fat feet. These look big though. These are fat. That look about him, right? I can always bring them back and snap. Let's see how much they cost. Oh, so these are on sale. So I wonder if the rain boots are on sale either. They might not be. So what the heck? They're on sale. Nothing. Look at God. I told y'all he'd tell me if I need it, and apparently I don't need it because it ain't on sale. Good morning. Good morning. 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 Move out my way. It's afternoon. It took me to be watching somebody else's vlog to realize that I was a vlogger myself and that I should pull up my own camera. After about 4 hours out there at Cormax, we are finally home. We've been home for about an hour now. This is what's happening here. Some orange and pineapple. I have no idea what that is. Some juice. Get some. Stop. Golly, why are you so aggressive all the time? But yeah, I just want to show what we were doing, that we were home, that life has continued to move.
Yeah. Talk.
You talk.
Yeah.
What they say? What they say? We're gone?
No.
You impatient? You impatient? You got patience or yes or no?
The baby. Mommy.
Oh my God.
You slow, man.
No one gave us this.
What? Girl, bad. All the crying you've been doing today. You lucky if you get fed. Here, get the raisins, child. They are. They're chocolate raisins. It is now 3, and we're just now going to get the car.
And they got a ton of shush.
Well, we finally put up their Thomas the Train track for my sister. We've been hesitant on doing it because I wanted to wait until we got the basement all finished and set up, but we went ahead and put it up, which you already know because I've showed you by now. Do you want the raisins, Jill? We just put gas in my car so I can make it. We just putting gas in my car so we can make it back to CarMax to get his car, and so I can make it to and from school all week long, as well as I got a doctor's appointment tomorrow. So London bribed her way in. She said she had to go pee, and then as soon as she got out the car, she said, yeah, I just want to go play. So that's what she doing. She did have to go pee though, but we're just in here. They got like a little area for kids, so she in here playing, watching Mickey Mouse while we wait on the people to come pick us. Will pick me and her up for the rental, because we have to have 2 cars, because even though most days my mom drops one off at school, I always have to go pick her up, and it's not always guaranteed at what time Lena will get off. So just to be on the safe side, I want to make sure that I have a way to get her from school.
I've driven one of these very much.
The van?
Yeah, what's that new Pacifica?
Oh.
I think it's replacing the town and country.
Look at that. We want to.
So we finally done with everything. We got the rental. I'll show you the rental once we get back to it, or probably once we get home from Sam's. So we're at Sam's now because I need my blueberries. This is the lock system we got, and you can buy it from Sam's for $178. We got ours through AT&T though, but we love it because we never have a key. You grumpy? You okay? Yep, we had to go home, drop my car off so we can all get in one car. What you want, that TV? Huh? You getting that TV? Oh, because it's 4K. You want McDonald's?
No, it's a 65 inch for $700.
Oh, okay.
That's what.
Oh, 65 for $700. That's just a deal in itself.
65 4K Ultra home theater display.
And where you gonna put it?
And then you can cash from your phone.
Oh, that's nice from your phone, because we never can find our remote. Jordan lost our remote 5 times. iPad, you got an iPad. You need a new iPad, maybe for your birthday. You want a big iPad like Daddy? You don't want a baby iPad no more? She don't want a baby iPad no more. She want a big iPad like yours. He said, okay. Come on. Yes.
Why do we always come over here?
I don't know. We need to be over there. Down this way, London.
We got turbo.
Come here. Treadmill. This is what we need right here. $500 and work out at home. You ain't gotta go nowhere and pay nobody. And get this. Wait, so we can be like this. Back. We can be like this. We need that? That's like Nana Grill? Oh, but Nana Grill she ain't got a propane.
That thing $5.49.
It look like a bag of chocolate. It's heavy?
Yeah, it's heavy.
Oh, so if you get a pretzel, you can't get McDonald's though. You want a pretzel?
No, I want McDonald's.
Alright, I need to call Grandma and make sure I'm getting my funds back for this McDonald's. You want those? We gotta get a little bag from Kroger, okay? So here's the car. I was gonna show you before we had to run in the house because it's raining. But I'll show you more. I'll show more of it probably tomorrow. Come on, Joe.